Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a huge haul, and I mean like, can you see all these products? There's going to be so much stuff in this haul, so I'm literally going to be bish bash bosh, bish bash bosh, bish bash bosh, getting through them, okay? So if I'm not giving enough time or attention to anything, then I am sorry. It's just because I have so much stuff in here. It might have to be a two-parter. We will see how we get on. I'll try and do it so... Ooh, let me just make sure I'm in focus. Hello. I will try and make sure that it doesn't go over like 20 minutes, and if it starts getting to that, then yeah, we'll make it into two parts. Okie doke. So the first one, I'm just going to take them out at random. Some of them might have a story, some of them might not. We're going to get through it quick as possible. Okay. So the first one is this eyeshadow. No, it's not Lychee. No. So the first one is this Primark Pro Glow Highlighting Palette. And this was £5, I believe. Yeah. I technically didn't pay for this because, well, I did, but I didn't. Because I took some clothes back and I didn't have the receipt, so I had to exchange it. So I exchanged it for makeup because, you know, it's me. So technically I did pay for it, but technically I exchanged it. But you know what I mean. So it has two highlighting shades. This is like a very, I mean, it is like a highlighting shade, but it's just not, it's just not nice. And then we have Eden, which is more like a blusher kind of shade, but it is still shimmery nonetheless. They are shimmery, but nothing compared to what's on the other side. So the other side we have Glimmer and Firefly, and I picked this up because Chloe Martin absolutely raved about it and put it in her like top products of 2017, and this is the reason why. Okay, so clean fingers, and we have this, like literally, like, let me just do a bigger swatch because I didn't really put like what. And then we have this one, like, what the hell? These are honestly like so intense. Look at that! Like, what the hell? And that's £5, and like obviously you can use the other two, but I ain't really gonna. Wow. I'm gonna be doing a video and just like trying them out compared to my Laura Geller one, because the formula, oh, honestly, beautiful. So the next two are some eyelashes from Eldora, and we have the shades M111, forgot the name already, and then we also have the shade H167. So I'm looking this way, it's just so that I can make sure that it's not, the glare is not like blinding you. Okie doke. Next two I got when I was in Glasgow, and these are from The Ordinary. Oh, there should be a primer. There's a primer in here somewhere as well from The Ordinary that I also got from Glasgow in House of Fraser, like at the beginning of December. I got the light coverage serum foundation, and I got the full coverage foundation. So yeah, the serum one I got in this shade 1.2N light neutral, and then the full coverage one I got in the shade 1.1N what's it called, fair neutral. So this is light neutral for the serum one. Let me know if you want me to do a video trying these out, reviewing them, Foundation Friday, all that good stuff. And then this is the full coverage one, which, as you can tell, is a lot lighter as well. Let's see what else is in my magic bag. Oh, from the primer. So this is a primer that I also got with it as well. So this is the High Spreadability Fluid Primer, and it is so like you can tell it's got silicone in it, but it's not that horrible silicone kind of feeling. Like, say for instance, if you don't like the Benefits Professional feel, then you probably would prefer this one, because it's not as, I don't know, it's not the same kind of texture, if that makes sense. So yeah, I picked up that as well. This was quite a while back that I picked this up. This is the MUA Professional Burning Embers Palette. Ooh, I like that it has a picture of all the names on the back. That's always good stuff. But the reason that I picked this up is because, oh my god, these shades up here, it's like, once again, clean fingers, like Let's do this one as well because this one's pretty too. It's just absolutely stunning. Like, what? Look how pretty they are. And I literally just did like a little tiny swatch. So yeah, I literally picked them up because the shimmers are unbelievable. Like, so pretty. Go in the store and just feel them and they'll blow you away, I promise. I also got a CoverGirl Lash Blast 24-hour mascara for like $2.99. This is the very black shade from B&M of all places. So yeah, I picked that up because I thought that would be a good one to try. There's loads of foundations in here, it's disgusting. Like, I don't need this many. I picked up a backup of my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in NC20. And I picked up this, which I also got one from a friend as well. And I believe it might possibly have been discontinued. This is the MAC Retro Matte Lip Colour, Liquid Lip Colour. And this is what it looks like. I mean, how stunning is that? Oh my god, it's just beautiful. And this is meant to be it's meant to be £17.50. And I got it for £6 and 13p. How crazy is that? Because it was in like a, you know, like discounted Estee Lauder shop store in there. There's my friend's one actually. I got some PLouise Makeup Academy eyelashes as well. Just look like this. Eyelashes have like became my thing recently. I've got two foundations from Primark, which I also got when I had to exchange some clothes. So I got the My Perfect Colour Long Wear Ultra Matte Foundation, double coverage, matte finish, oil free, £5 in the shade Toffee. And obviously this looks really dark, and that's because the only time that I'd wear a matte, really long, like long wearing, double coverage kind of foundation would be for a night out where hopefully I would be this tanned from wearing fake tan. And the other one that I got is the My Perfect Colour Velvet Finish Foundations. This one's medium to full, customisable coverage, second skin effect, SPF 30. This one was £6 and I got this one in the shade Nude Beige instead, and it has like a little pipette as well. So I got them. Two more foundations. Like, it's actually disgusting how many foundations that I've like accumulated recently. So this is like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from this one haul. Oh my god, Lucy. I've just showed one in another haul as well. It's just my boots haul. Oh my god. So I picked up some things from Beauty Bay, and the first thing that I got is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I got the shade 01 Creamy Vanilla, hopefully to wear when I'm like a little bit fake tanned as well. And the other one that I got is the LA Girl Pro Coverage HD High Definition Long Wearing Illuminating Foundation, and I got this in the shade Fair. I also got a, I don't know if it's Lychee or Lychee, I'm not sure. And this is the fan brush. This is the SX02 fan brush. I'm going to be putting that into a giveaway because I don't really use fan brushes. So see that in a future giveaway coming up soon. Two things that I got that I'm so excited about. And these are the Soph palettes from SophDoesNails, the YouTuber. Oh my god, so this is with Makeup Revolution. So she has her own eyeshadow palette where she designed all of the colours, like chose what colours she wanted in it. And this is what the packaging looks like. And then the eyeshadows look like this. They are absolutely stunning, like absolutely beautiful, and I'm so proud of her. Like, I actually like proper love Soph. I've had people comment on my YouTube videos before saying that I remind them of Soph, and I think it's because I've got the lights in the background, and before I used to film on my bed with my lights in the background, so I think that might have been why. I also got the highlighter palette that she created as well with Makeup Revolution. So you have pressed highlighters in here and baked highlighters as well. Such a good formula. Like, for instance, this gold one here. To be fair, I don't actually know which ones are the baked ones and which ones aren't. You can kind of tell when you feel them, but all of them are just absolutely stunning. Yeah, I'm just so proud of it, honestly. I do think the, what am I trying to do? I do think the Primark ones that I've just swatched are a better formula, but Soph didn't have any control really with the formula. I mean, look at them. Like, wow. Just stunning. But obviously she got to pick the shades, and I like that she put darker shades in there, even though she is a light, like she's really like light and really fair. I like that she's put the darker shades in there because it's not just fully catered to her kind of thing. So I'm hoping that like women of colour can use them ones as well. I don't know whether they need to have them a bit darker, I'm not too sure. Okay, what else do we have? Okay, so we have 2 lip liners, which I also got from Beauty Bay, and this orange one I bought for that orange liquid lipstick. So this is the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Coral, and I bought this back when they had the, you know, like the massive sale on Beauty Bay, like Black Friday or something. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, that is nice. That is really pretty. Yes! And then the other one is also from LA Girl, and this is the shade Forever Red. And the reason I got this is because I don't really have like a lip liner that is this kind of colour. These are really pigmented, by the way. Look how nice that is. Oh, I also picked up some things from Morrison's, right? So I got this before Christmas, like way before Christmas. It was actually in November because I bought this the same time that I bought my mum and Hayley like the stocking filler from Morrison's as well. So like I bought this like a very long time ago. And these are all, so like the first 2 are kind of like dupes for like Kylie, like liquid lipstick sets, and then this one is like a metallic eye pencil and an eyeliner. So we'll start with the nudes, like liquid lipstick ones first. So the first one is a metallic liquid lipstick with the lip liner. The lip liner is also metallic and shimmery, which I wasn't expecting, but was like nice as well. Don't really rate this one, to be completely honest. The other one that I got, which is a stunning shade, this is like a darker red kind of colour, and then a liquid lipstick as well. No, a liquid lipstick and a lip liner. God. So yeah, I got them 2, and then I also got, these were like £2 each, or £2.50, £1.50, something daft like that. And I also got the gold shimmery eyeliner and the gold pigment. This pigment box is huge, by the way, like the packaging. So you must get a lot of pigment. I also got the Technic bronzing oil, and technically I didn't buy this at all. My friend Amber gave it to me because she wasn't going to use it, and she had 2. So that's why she wasn't going to use it. So thank you, Amber, for giving me that. What else do we have? Okay, so we have the, I don't know if I actually showed this, but just in case I haven't, I picked up the Freedom Pro HD Longwear Concealer-y thing in the shade White, and I was using this as an eye base, but I will be getting the PLouise eye base when it comes out, so I won't be needing any of that anytime soon. I also picked up a MAC Burnt Pepper Matte Powder Blush, and the reason that I bought this is because PLouise uses it as an eyeshadow, so if it's good enough for PLouise, then it's good enough for me. I also got a Lychee or Lychee, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, matte liquid lipstick, and this looks so pretty. I can't open it. This is the shade Peach Kiss when I actually get it open, and this is what it looks like. I think this would be absolutely stunning with like a darker lip liner and maybe like a little bit of gloss in the middle of the lips. Oh, honestly, like a little bit goes such a long way. That swatched so much better than the Misguided liquid lipsticks that I've just swatched for my Boots haul. Like that just glided on, had no patchiness or anything, so I'm excited to try that. What else do we have? Parcel. What's inside my parcel? Oh yes. So I also picked up a YSL foundation. This is in the shade B40, and this is actually getting discontinued, and I bought it off Depop, so it is like had like a previous owner. I'm not sure how much is left in there, but yeah, I bought that off Depop, off like some girls that I kind of know off there. Where's my other one? I did buy something else off them as well. Here we go. Which I'm actually wearing on my face right now. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Light Medium. and like it is stunning. It is honestly so impressed, so impressed by it. Oh yeah, we have a Lychee or Lychee again. This is a pigment and this is in the shade Rose Gold. I've not actually opened this, I don't think. No, I haven't. I'm not going to open it because it's going to go all over. But this is what it looks like, and it is just beautiful, like everything else that I've said in this video as well. And last but certainly not least, the actual bag that I was holding it all in, and some goodies that are left inside, are from PLouise. I got it in their Christmas 12 days of PLouise gift deal. So you paid £55 I think it was. Yeah, I think it was 55, and it was like a mysterious makeup bag. So this is what you got with it. So I got the huge, like this bag is just unbelievable, it's massive. I got the huge makeup bag. So inside it I got 3 beauty blenders. How crazy is that? I've got 2 pairs of Eldora lashes. So we have the ones in M112 and then also M108 as well. I've got some doll lashes. These are the Doll Dreamer lashes. I've actually got doll lashes on now in the in the style Kimberly, but these are kind of like this is like a different line of them. So this is like the Dream ones. So these are like a lot more kind of spaced out, if that makes sense. Like so you'd have to have like a certain look that you had in mind, that kind of thing, or like you had like a really good eyeshadow look. If you wanted to show it off, they'd be perfect for that. And that's in the style Bambi. I also have another one of them Lychee brushes. This is the SX02, and like I said before, I will be putting these into a giveaway. Another brush that was in it is from Sample Beauty, and this is the M3 marble brush. Looks like this, which I think would be really good for like contouring or like packing on blusher or whatever. That's that one. I also got a voucher, which I'm not going to show you because it has my code in it. A gift voucher for £10 for me to spend on the PLouise website. Oh my god, that Lychee liquid lipstick is set like down already. How good's that? Okay, and then we have 3 pigments. So we have 2 from the Be Beautiful Studio, and we have the shade Diamond Blush, and then also the shade Dark Gold. Just look like this. So I'm really excited to try all of these out. So that's everything that I got recently or in the past month, 2 months, because I haven't really been doing videos on YouTube. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit subscribe. I upload Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, so I'll hopefully see you one of them days. And if you're interested in this makeup look that I've done today, there is a video already up, and it's like the PLouise review first impressions palette. This is the look that I'm rocking right now. So I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Fingers crossed. Bye guys.